Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe and tap the notification bell because we have videos updated on daily basis, and also we have a lot of bonuses for you guys. So make sure you uh, tap the notification bell so you don't miss anything. So in today's video we are going to introduce you the another great software which has ability to create an amazing real estate videos for you and in an automated way. This software is called Real Estate with Z Pro, or the short version is called Revit Pro, and you can find the link of this software in description. So it is a web-based video creation software that helps you to edit all the videos for different platforms like YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram. You can make as many videos as needed with your own footage, as well as the stock photos and music that the software provides for you. You have commercial rights for personal and client use, meaning that you can even sell your videos to your clients for extra profit. Real Estate with Z Pro is a simple to use video creation tool featuring built-in templates for real estate professionals, online marketers, and agencies. So this is the tool for all of you guys in a real estate niche. Your customers will love this software and the ability to create real estate marketing videos quickly for YouTube, for Facebook, for Instagram, LinkedIn, and many more websites. It's an easy upsell and includes some of the following products, which are a mix of ebooks, video courses, and graphic, such as Facebook ad secrets, foreclosure, short sales article pack, LinkedIn marketing success, house flipping one-on-one, Instagram marketing secrets, marketing on a budget, modern Twitter marketing, modern video marketing, real estate investing tips, real estate investment secrets, real estate essentials, real estate profits, and also real estate graphics. So all of these products you will get in this Revit Pro with this Revit Pro software. So if you are looking for one video app to do everything that you need to create real estate videos across multiple formats for your own marketing, or to sell for 300 to 500 to clients, so look no further, because Real Estate with the Pro is here, and it's a brand new all-in-one video maker platform that automates video creation like never before. It's also 100% cloud-based. It's simply to use, packed with multiple high converting templates, easy to customize, and perfect for social media, websites, and more. This software has two options of packages that both have access to software updates. The first package has a one-time payment for permanent access. The second package is the more advanced package, which requires monthly payment for permanent access. Unlike many other generalized video editors, Real Estate with the Pro pays attention to all of the details. So this app can be used for any videos, but it is specialized for real estate advertising. So it has a selection of stock images and stock music for when you want to avoid pesky copyright flags on social media. Real Estate with the Pro also works from any computer because it is web-based. It will work on any device with internet access. If you are worried about navigating the software, it comes with a training course, so you can easily work with this product. If you still are unsure of something, they have a support team that is always ready to help. All templates also come loaded with professional graphics, pre-designed with stunning visual effects, text, and transitions. So creating pro quality videos for real estate marketing is now easy. It limit time that currently limited time bonus. You need to get access to free image databases and audio you can use in every single video. You are getting unbeatable value and at an unbeatable price. So there is no other real estate video app in the market that does what currently Real Estate Vizi Pro can do. So grab this at a very special early bird discount. So that's all about this great software. Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you comment and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any video and discount that we have for you. Thank you.